Some of the coolest products I found are from Velvet Antler Technologies. This is Bone Brite, and it does exactly what it says. It's meant to brighten bone. And in this case, a lot of us have European mounts. I have tons of them. I've been treating a bunch of these today. What I found is an 8-ounce bottle is just about right for a deer-sized skull, an antelope, those sorts of things. Elk, sometimes they take a little more, so keep that in mind. But it's very simple. This particular product comes with a brush. It comes with an included towel. We'll talk about what those are for here in a minute. But you want to apply this liberally. And you can see it goes on and it kind of gets gel-like on it. It covers this whole mount. And what this is going to do is it's going to bring that bone back to life. It's going to take away that discoloration, the yellow discoloration that happens over time. You want to cover this. And then when you get into those areas where you're like, man, I want to get it in there, use that brush and push it in there, and then you can really get it in all these areas where it needs to go. And you can see, if you come a little closer, I get mine gunked up on there really good so that I can cover it like a paste where it's almost dripping off. And then I'm gonna leave it 24 hours, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you exactly what to do next. It's a really simple process. It's 24 hours later. All I'm gonna do now is come in with the towel, and I'm just gonna wipe off the Bone Brite, and you can see how much difference just 24 hours on this skull has made. And the cool thing is, you can repeat this several times until you get the whiteness you want to achieve. But this is gonna be perfect for me. Velvet Antler Technologies, check them out.